Good morning, Mr. Mare. How are you doing this morning? My name is Miss Dar, and my husband is Mr. Mare. I find myself with the ugliest man on the day me born. Me I tell you, sometime me have to hide to hold the man ugly. Mr. Mare? Yes, Miss Mare? How are you doing? This is the beautifulest way I ever looked on the day I born. Look on the eye them. The eye them a come out of my head. Mr. Mayor? Yes, Miss Mayor. I had to take up my eyes to see you. Well, on a minute, I'm taking out my eye. Oh, this is my eye. It's on a string. How you doing? Long time I don't see you, and I love you so much that I want to have two kids with you. Why? I wonder if that the pretty woman. Look her nose straight and her face straight. Really want a ugly man like me? I am Mr. Bear. I am Mr. Bear. Good morning, Mr. Long time no see you, girl. Come make we go have a little fun. But the way my eyes them big, I cannot see. I have to put it on a string to see. Oh, my eyes is big. Almost like my whole face. Boy. What a man beautiful. I couldn't believe that Mr. Mary was like this. I'm telling you, I am not Oliver, but I can give you jokes till you laugh and turn over. Good morning, I see you later.